Now,
do you see here? They wrote AAC. Yes. Do you see that? Yes. What I have here in my hand is fertilizer. What I have here is fertilizer. This fertilizer I have in my hand here, this is up to 4 bags of fertilizer. How many bags? 4 bags. Our project is nanotechnology, agricultural development and sustainability. We are in the forefront of educating and introducing nanotechnology on the side of agriculture, because you have nanotechnology on engineering, you have nanotechnology on other manufacturing issues. But what we are talking now is nanotechnology as it relates or concerns what? Agriculture. Do we understand that? Yes. Now this is AAC, means Asia Africa Cooperation. And that is why you can be like us. Because you can be a cooperative, but we are using what is produced by another person. But what we are using is produced by which people, the same cooperative, the same establishment, the same organization. Asia Africa Cooperation, Farmers Multipurpose Cooperative Society. Registered, fully registered, certified. These things we are using are produced in Thailand, because that's where you have the head office, Thailand. Listen, whatever I say here, I say it to NTA. They broadcast it live on Nigerian National News. If you go through our YouTube, you see most of our programs is on NTA. It's on radio stations. Our women, our youths, our girl children, all of us here, by the grace of God, I am a father, I'm also a grandfather. I have my girls. I have grandchildren that are also girls. We have to help humanity. The intake of many much chemical substance into our body system has made us always be sick. And when you are sick, you expose yourself to much drug intake that endangers your health system. Am I blowing much grammar? No. Our women are going early menopause. Our women in Nigeria, your daughter and my daughter, they are moving into early menopause in Nigeria. It's not because of weather, not because of climate, it's because of what we eat from our family. A woman of 45 years in Nigeria, going to 48 years after they having signs of early menopause, hitting 50, many of them have already become in Nigeria. You come to our men, oh my God, a simple instance. Some of your boys and my boys are having gray hairs and gray beards now. Have you seen that?
Yes.
Yes.
Small children. It is not, what do you call it? This thing they perfume. It is not spray. Now, we have yam. In the old days, Our fathers had what is called yam bank. Am I right?
Yes.
Where do they get yam they plant the next season? From their yam what? Is that true? Go and buy yam now and keep it for 3 months. What will happen to it? It will do what? What will it do? It's not the land where you planted it. It is the chemical fertilizer you use that cause that effect. Now you want to tell me what decayed this yam is outside the yam? Is outside the yam? Is where? Okay, what if I eat that yam? You know people smoke. Listen, people smoke. Each of the cigarettes, they say smokers are liable to die. And when they smoke, they do like this. Some healthy. Who said smoke split keys? Who said cigarette key? Don't mind them. I've been smoking for 30 years. They do like this. Who says smoke? Gradually, it is moving from insignificant to significant. It is moving from minor to major. Small. By the time we start eating all these chemical foods, swallowing them, and we say it has no effect, from year 1 to year 2, it becomes insignificant. By the time you hit 40 and above, it comes to what? Significant. In case you don't have money to buy knapsack, because we are not only teaching you on how to do agriculture, we are also teaching you how to be so economical so that you can produce. That is about the fertilizer. Somebody may ask me a question, and before your question, let me answer it. If you tell me to apply this thing on the leaf, what if my mango has grown and my hand can't reach the leaf? What will I do? I have told you like this coconut now. If this coconut, before it fruits, all of them, many of them will fall down. And I've said, spread it on the leaves. So how can I spread this thing now on the leaf of this coconut? If any crop or plant has grown beyond your hand, reaching the leaf, spread it on the stem. Apply it on the leaves of what you have planted. It will do well. Apply it on the stem of that your crop and plant that is no more fruiting. If you take this compound now, you see a lot of fruits here. Some of them may not be fruiting. Take it. If you cannot apply it on the leaf, apply it on the stem. It won't do well. You apply it 4 times or 5 times every week. He's a friend of a lot of farmers are using it to plant rice, yam, so many things. Provided it's a crop or it's a plant, it works. Now, if it is plants that are used to fruit, you now wait for the flowers to come. When you apply Miracle 1 for that period, you wait. You now wait for the ones that use fruit, like our corn, like our fruits. When you see the flowers coming, you think about fruiting the flowers, you now use Miracle 2. You now use what? Miracle 2. The work of Miracle 2 is it will give you fruitfulness. If you see the corn that you use this to produce, the seeds always get to the you don't see any chance at all. It will be very big, robust, and shoot very well. If you eat the corn, you use this to produce. Sometimes don't even need to eat anything and boil it and eat. It's okay. If you shake it, it will not produce the effervescence. Are you getting me? Because it doesn't have that harmful acidic chemical compound they are using. Hello? Did it produce any effervescence? Did it produce any effervescence? Hold it. Is it there? Is it concentrating on the whip? On the knife? It's not harmful. It's not harmful.